Hi folks, this is Bruce Naylor of FrugalTech, and this is our new StorCenter ix2 Cloud Edition network storage device from Iomega. And we got this, actually we originally ordered a Western Digital MyBook Live 3 terabyte edition. It was a defective unit. The transfer speeds were just horrible with it. It had to go back. Doing a little bit more research, we decided to replace it with this unit right here. I'm going to tell you a couple of reasons why I picked it. Now, first off, budget. I had a budget in mind. If I had more of a larger budget, I probably would have chose a Synology NAS, but I didn't. This seemed to fit the bill. My budget was around $250, and actually I paid $239 with free shipping from Tiger Direct. I buy a lot of my stuff from Tiger Direct. And they treat us really well. We have a business type account with them. But at any rate, that's one reason. The second reason was there's actually two 1 terabyte drives in here that are hot swappable, user replaceable. There's built-in RAID level 0 and 1 in here, so you can either do it as a striped partition or you can do a mirrored drive. I'm going to use it as a mirrored drive. In that case, it'll only be 1 terabyte of storage, even though there's two 1 terabyte drives. Now, one of the nice things, this is the cloud edition, and basically that means that I could have another one of these units offsite. It's a private cloud, so I can have another one of these units offsite and have the contents of this NAS replicate to another NAS somewhere at a different location. Now, there's also an iPhone and iPad app. You can access the data anywhere at any time on this. You can also stream music, movies, etc. with this. So there's a lot of features for multimedia streaming in here, but my main concern is a really, really strong storage device. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and unbox this unit. Got the handy paring knife. No fancy, nothing fancy here when it comes to that. See, there's some tape up here. Let me see if I can get that. And there we go. And there we go. And there we go. And now the lid is open. There we go. And let's take a look at how this is packaged. Well, I think they've done a pretty nice job on the packaging here. And it looks like we've got some things here on the side. Got the instruction manual right here. And I'm thinking there's probably some software, and there it is. This is the installation software that comes with it, and this is for PC. I'm not sure whether there's a Mac version of the software on there. I'm thinking that there might be. I'm hoping it's because we have mostly Apple computers in here, but I do have some PCs as well. And something about recycling. Well, I'm not a big recycler. And it looks like we have another box in here. I don't know if you can see this. And I'm assuming this is the power supply. We'll open this up. And we have one Ethernet cable, power cord. Oh yeah. And a brick. There we go, adapter brick right there. So that's what was in the side of the box right here. You may not be able to see that. Bring it in here. This compartment right here. Bring that a little closer. That's what was in here. So now we have the device itself, and we're just going to pull that out. Now we're done with the box. Here we go. And now you can see it's wrapped in plastic. Hermetically sealed plastic. Not a problem. Once again, the old paring knife, short work of that, and there we go. Very nice finish on this. It's a kind of a metallic finish. Actually, it is metal. The case is metal. Very attractive. You see that on the front there. The unit weighs about 6 pounds, maybe 7 pounds. Let's go ahead and look at the back of the unit. Now here's what's interesting. There's your two separate drives. You have two USB ports. You have an Ethernet port right here. There's for your power. And then if we look at the bottom, when you replace these drives, you unscrew those screws, and that's how you'll take these drives out. On the front of the unit, looks like we have a power button. And this is interesting right here. This is another USB port, and there you can plug in a USB drive and instantly pull that data off of the USB device right onto the Iomega StorCenter. So that's very nice. So it seems to be a really solid feeling unit, and we're going to get this hooked up. And by the way, Iomega is now an EMC company. And if I recall, I might be wrong about this, but I think EMC is part of Dell Computer now. But this is it. This is the Iomega StorCenter ix2-200 Cloud Edition. And it's going to be a welcome addition here at our company, Frugal Brothers Software. As I said, we're going to configure this as a mirrored array, so RAID level 1. And so we're actually going to have a terabyte. I should also let you know it also supports Mac, Windows, and Linux. As I said, you can do RAID level 0, RAID level 1, and it also supports what's called JBOD. I think that's how you say it, JBOD. Just a bunch of disks, that's what it stands for. So you could actually plug other USB drives into here and expand that one volume into a larger volume. I won't do that. I'm just going to stick with the redundancy of having mirrored drives. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and hope you check out my show that I upload every week to YouTube, which is called Business Computing Weekly. I'm Bruce Naylor, your FrugalTech. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching this video. Oh, like this video.